This is Big Brother. Housemates, your nominations are complete. The results are in. Michaela was the holder of the nominations superpower. Michaela was the infiltrator. She infiltrated 2 housemates' nominations. Michaela now knows exactly who Tahan and Borg nominated. And Tahan and Borg know a little bit more about Michaela's voting habits as well. Housemates do not even think about asking Michaela about her superpower. She, along with the infiltrated housemates, are forbidden from speaking about it. Housemates, this week, there are 3 nominees. They are on 11 points.
I don't think that.
Borg.
Whoa! Okay.
On 8 points.
Okay. That's me.
Michaela.
Whoa.
And on 5 points. Tahan.
Wow.
Okay.
Is that it?
Borg. Michaela. And Tahan. One of you will be the next housemate evicted from the Big Brother house. Nominations are final. And the lines are open.
Dun-dun-dun.
Housemates, that is all.
Oh, wow.
It's the superpower involved, housemate.
That is the first one I've ever. That's the first time.
It's a pretty.
Yeah, Russell Crowe is right. This is the first time the holder of the superpower has been nominated. Now, last night's eviction result was an absolute shocker. I wouldn't be surprised if people didn't vote for Ben because they thought him a strong chance to win. So if you want one of the nominees to stay, you must vote. Here's how.
To save Michaela, call 1902 559 509. SMS Michaela to 199 559 or vote on Facebook. To save Tahan, call 1902 559 513. SMS Tahan to 199 559 or vote on Facebook. To save Book, call 1902 559 517. SMS Book to 199 559 or vote on Facebook.